The location is Wazobia FM 95.1. Don't know, people. DJ Neptune in the building.
Yes, sir.
Okay, international boy.
Yeah.
No, you arrived well. Okay, so you know he's our guy.
Yes,
Anytime
sir.
where he drop, bigger things are going. And I
Definitely.
get international boy with me.
Yes, so
Hello.
the superstar.
See, listen.
Yeah.
So I like to get conversation with people for the first time,
Yeah.
then to break in, because I know that once they leave the studio, they are up there now.
Yes, so
And I know you're coming back bigger and better.
amen.
But it's not easy to get hooked to someone like Neptune.
Yeah.
Tell me how you are. They don't work out for road see Neptune. Even if you go show papa, I don't go see
You don't go
him.
still see him, yeah.
Even if you see, I don't know if you see approach. So how this meeting?
I could say now God's grace because it just happened all of a sudden. I do cover to in last release that was with Spiral Count Your Blessings, and I don't really pay attention to him because I just do him out of the fact that I love the song. And then waking up the next day at the CC, he don't buzz me up, he don't chat me up.
Wait, they rush me. Which one be say waking up the next day? Where to get this one? I mean, never tell me truth.
No, now I say now so it happened. Now it still dey like shock now. It just happened like
Still
that.
they shock you like
It
this.
still dey shock me, and the way I did, and I sit down just next to DJ Neptune. You know, easy now. Come on.
And you can't
Now
go.
only social media fi make am.
Wait, you don't go in studio, Abi. You don't go in house.
I don't go in house. I
You-
don't
you
go in
cry
studio.
that day, you
I
cry.
nearly no one go.
Why? You think that that's scam
I
or
know. I just one day there. Man, just did there.
Oh, you don't want to go house. I know, right? Yeah, some people are, you don't become your booster now. I hope say I don't go here. I don't go see you for Twitter tomorrow. Now. Okay, DJ Neptune, my
sister.
guy,
Body, oh, check,
my
check.
guy.
Everything is soft.
No.
Now you know.
It's all love, bro.
Now
It's
you
all
know,
love.
now you.
So now we could talk about Lagos. First of all, when I hear say the name of the song, now Lagos, okay.
Are we going to Lagos?
We are home and we are in Lagos.
You know?
So I decided not to announce the song on the show. I said we guys listen to them together. Neptune needs to be here before
yeah,
the
no.
fans go to listen to the song. But make we listen. And Lagos, they come back here. I see your messages. No worry. We go do them quick, okay? Make we hear Lagos. DJ Neptune and International Boy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the song is Seat.
Thank you.
Now who dropped those beats?
Producer na Shavriza.
Okay.
Is a South African producer.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, now you make the beats.
I feel I'm now why
Yeah.
I ask.
You choke you.
Yes, DJ Neptune. If you're not pure, you know go put hand.
You know,
Yeah,
it has to be greatness.
You are the greatness. It has to be greatness, bro.
100% excellent.
No, but I love the vibe. I
you.
love this particular one.
Thank
So
you.
the lyrics, International Boy.
Yeah.
I need to talk to you about when this song they cook and finish. I know so it be part of the process and everything.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, a day before this song drop,
Yeah,
tell me exactly how you been they feel.
I no sleep. that in just one word, I no sleep.
No.
I don't know.
I stress out for studio.
I no.
You call me, do something, you go. I say, so, you see, for your mind.
You
say,
pressure me.
I know, come
You
on.
see the line where you did, yeah, I sing this song for you so many times.
Yes.
You sing them so
So
many
you're
times.
So na true life story, yeah. I would like ask you about Afrobeats because I don't know this one. I
No,
don't
we
know.
did. Ask so.
Okay,
No,
Neptune, I would like talk to you about Afrobeats.
Okay, now,
the
my
one with
sister.
the S. They say you know get substance inside. Burna Boy. The conversation they rise from different places.
Yeah.
Because on Friday I go even get Bankuli here.
Okay.
Just for us to discuss Afrobeats.
Afrobeats,
Now I really want to understand because I know when you see some reaction, you also go reason them in your own way. But please, so many young artists are coming out. I didn't hear say now be the best time to do music in any part of the world,
Yep.
but Nigeria especially.
Yes.
So how do we now begin to reconcile the fact where somebody go talk, say, I love Burna, like I'm a bona fide person myself. But when I hear some conversation, they make me feel somehow, especially when the younger ones, they come and they hear these things.
Yeah.
From your own angle, how do you say it?
To be honest, right? As human beings, they go say we all dey entitled to our opinion. You get me? But then it gets some kind of opinion when we say we got stay very calculative because if it mislead and if it help. This genre when we don't carve something from, when originate from the late Anikula Fela Anikulapo Kuti, may so continue to rest in peace.
Yes, of course.
When all of us now can they benefit from, based on waiting we don't learn or study on see from the Western world, we can they infuse them into RAM to create different sub genres when they work for everybody in their own little way. So like I feel the way forward, or rather the way when we help ourselves now, say we're there in the conversation now on a global level. More would they let the people when they outside there know, say we went down reach here now journey for us. We still get plenty people when they back, when they come, when they say it did their body.
Okay.
You get me? So whichever way they want to express the kind of music when they make, we know where it originates from. Now from Africa, West Africa, Nigeria to be precise, So if you say na Afro fusion or na Afro pop, we get people when they rap too on Afro instruments.
Yes.
So waiting they call them, the person wake up and say, oh, na Afro hip hop are they do. The most important thing I say, there's an element of that Afro which be our originality and identity of the genre when come from here, when the whole world now don't they consume. So I feel like wherever position where you did, tell the narrative in a way when the people when they express or talk to go get the message and then have a wider understanding of the sound, because we're there in the position to tell the story past people when they outside world, because now we don't go through them now waiting they see on internet and they go just speak, add 1 and 2, join and tell them the way when they understand. So if you're there in the position to explain, and if you know if you explain, they know they put thing for somebody edge, just zip your mouth, keep on moving. But that genre no go there anytime soon.
I swear down, especially when would they get from Ghana to Togo to Kenya to Tanzania dragging the same Afrobeats. I don't know what so
you see they not say that they drag them, but that they see the movement and then they wish. Say I get friends for East Africa, for Uganda when they do kindadili music. Now when they call their own type of music. For Tanzania they call their own bongo flavor, right? And you they see them, they infuse our Afrobeats.
Like some of these people from Cameroon, they even speak the same pidgin like Nigerian pidgin.
Yeah, even Liberia as well.
Yes.
There is a guy in Zambia, Yomap, one with they work now.
Yomap, yeah. We don't.
If you see the song when Yomap, me and them they do, you go to say Yomap now from Nigeria. You go to see the Nigerian artist. So a lot of these people don't they study this thing, don't want when they even do and pass us. So we need to tell the story the way it be. If not, they go collect them for our hand, turn them to their own.
Wow, Neptune, thank you. When you go open your own school, this thing, because you need to suppose they,
they're not the same experience. You say, you know, because supermarket buy.
Greatness. So I hear something. PH talent.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, international boy.
Yeah.
There's something you're not saying on this show. So if I don't hear him, you know, go tell me.
No, I go talk out now.
Definitely. I want to talk out. I be want to say bye now.
You want this Lagos, this guy. You don't come Lagos. I know the hospital, they pay out. You see, I suppose don't listen to this song before you come, because usually when I listen, I try to break down lyric by lyric. But what's this PH?
Be Port Harcourt boy.
I know my destination.
I'll be Port Harcourt boy.
Which water that they use drink? What do they drink? What do they bath for that Port Harcourt? Who they cook out for that?
Talent did the whole of Nigeria.
Neptune, I sure say no. We never go Port Harcourt, go rent, buy some acres.
No, I don't mind.
You don't mind, right?
I don't mind.
But this is interesting to know.
Yeah.
But plenty of now.
Them day.
We did now. We full ground.
I'm so happy. I don't know. I'm just blushing.
Thank you.
And not so you even get pride. You even mention that about now pride. That's it. Now pride. Myself, I don't live for Port Harcourt for like few months. I know rumor.
Okay.
Rumor Koro.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
You're updated.
Why not be rumor?
They like room, no parlor.
And I like bole and fish.
Yeah.
I know they miss that one.
I then get the best. Now we get the best.
I feel fly go chop and come back.
I know they miss that if I enter PH.
And you get another thing. They also make periwinkle and some. I don't forget the name. but they use fish. We probably could make no,
seafood.
Una fit use food. You know, so I fit don't go marry for them because of food.
And so now I make them dey proud.
And I saw Omale come promise me, Omale, where my plantain? Where my bole? Your brother don't then I go fear arrest him on your behalf. I go this one do myself. Omale, come and bail your brother. International, but well done. Thank you for coming. Of course, like I mentioned, you're up there right now.
Thank
man.
you.
Thank you.
So more collaboration, of course.
Yeah.
No, you're in the right hand.
Yeah.
Well done. Thank you for coming. I don't know Wetin they don't tell you about me, especially him. Don't believe. I'm a nice person.
Check it out. No,
You be correct person.
I mean,
now.
you don't answer be correct person.
They already tell me so you be
sure,
correct person.
sure.
No be whining.
I don't go talk to about me. This guy don't go talk to about me, but good. High five. Big ups, bro. DJ Neptune.
My sister.
Sign me, we don't sign that people.
Nah, I know. Now, this big wheel now.
Thank you for coming, Neptune.
Thanks for having me.
International, but where they go follow you on social media platform?
Follow me at International Boy World on Instagram and all platforms, and on Twitter at International Boy World, but this time INTL Boy World. That's how it is.
This name and the eldest. You see as he talk now. Now
prophecy,
person will know himself.
They go international.
If you don't know yourself, nobody answer big name like this. So, I feel the pride, but it's good. It's good. DJ Neptune.
My sister.
Greatness.
Anytime.
I'd like to see you, bro.
Same here.
But I know you're on the move. You they fly every time. You don't buy private jet because it's a you already they move. Now, I not suppose they use airpiece or those Emirates. Suppose don't get your own.
We are looking up to you.
No, I be looking up to you anything. DJ Neptune, you be one of my rich friends who I get. And they pray for you. And they pray for you.
I come up is make I carry LV bag.
You be my helper. No, they talk to me like that. You be one of my helpers. And they pray to God concerning you. Because if I don't hold my rich friends, they will. Amen. God answer my rich friends' prayer. May they help me too. Thank you so much for coming. My guys, I know you had a nice time. Teacher, thank you. Kudos. Yes, International Boy. See you at the top. Greatness. You're already there, man.
Thank you, my sister.
So where are we heading to? Are we in America? We going to Canada? We going to Sweden? Because Nigeria is, they actually come to Nigeria to eat ofen salad, then they run away again. Yeah. I know all of you. Well done. Then, hey, Chichi, I'm living in Ghana. I'm not around. I've not been around for 3 months. Get out of my phone, John. One day I go mention all their names for you. Neptune, thank you for coming.
Thank you for having
we
me.
love you. We love you.
Wazobia 95.1 Wazobia.